Hey there, I'd like to share my review on this DIY set with the 16-ounce spray bottles. They do have the removable silicone base. The sticker is really nice and seems water resistant. So I have my plant mist sticker on here. You've also got 2 of the pink, 2 of the blue. They do come with caps on the top, so if you want to mix something up but you don't want your spray bottle top on yet. And then as far as your nozzles, you do have the different spray patterns. You've got the off and a straight stream, no spray, and then you've got the mist. And I'll show you with it on my plants. But just to look at the stickers quick, you have 8 blanks that you could write your own names on, and then you've got your basics, your stain, disinfectant, glass, plant. So you actually have duplicates, multi-purpose, and bathroom clear. So you have duplicates of those, and then 8 sheets, 8 stickers of just plain, so you could easily put them over the top. Now I'll show you misting the plants. So here I've got my pepper plants, and I'll just show you the mist. It's definitely not so heavy that it's like pushing my plants over, so it's a nice gentle mist. Same thing with my sprouts over here. It's got a nice wide spray pattern. Now when I twist this to the straight stream, we'll do this over here. You can kind of see it's got a nice straight stream on it. So definitely would be nice for direct stream. So hopefully this was helpful.